Hi friends, welcome and how are you doing? Now I am diving into two fantastic pictures on Facebook Messenger. Number one, how to turn automatically save photos and videos. And number two, how to turn on messages disappear for 24 hours. So if you are ready to enhance your privacy on Messenger, stick around. Open Facebook Messenger. In the search area, type a friend name that you want to have a secret setting. Tap on your friend's profile. Tap on eye icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Go to Secret Conversation. Again, tap on eye icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Save Photos and Videos. Switch to the right side until you see blue color. There you have it. Now let's talk about the disappearing message features. Go back and tap on disappearing messages. Tap on 24 hours. Confirm your choice and you're all set. Thanks for watching and until next time, stay safe and enjoy your privacy.